David, MarineMax Lake Hopatcong here, standing on a 2021 Boston Whaler 150 Montauk. This boat is loaded up with a lot of great features. It is currently in our showroom, of course, and available. We're going to start all the way up here on the bow. New for 2021 is a removable bow light. You can see it simply slides in there, pulls out, and is out of the way. There's storage for this back on the helm. I'll go over that in a minute. This boat was also ordered with the trolling motor package. So there's access for 12 or 24 volt trolling motor, of course phenolic all underneath the deck to attach the motor to. Our charge port. We have our anchor locker. Typical Boston Whaler, stainless steel hinges and latches. This boat was also ordered with a bow cushion that snaps in, easily removable. Another great feature is this fishing seat. This simply slides in, is able to pivot, move around, very comfortable with ease. It is offset so you can still open that bow hatch as well. As I move farther back, the fishing package includes rod holders, tackle storage on the right side of the helm, and a cooler with a cushion for a seat. Above my head we have the sun top, and we'll move farther back. Okay, we're up here on the helm now. As I mentioned, the boat's loaded with options. We have a Ray Marine, GPS, chart plotter, navigation system, depth finder as well, instrumentation, switches, a VHF radio, fusion stereo system. We have our speakers on the helm facing aft, compass center. We have our reverse leaning posts, gives the option to sit forward, aft. Of course, our Boston Whaler bucket back here. We also ordered this boat in with the Livewell Package. Nice deep live well, very easy access with rod storage and cup holders on either side. 60 horsepower, 4-stroke fuel injected Mercury engine. As I move around to the port side of the helm, there's a large storage compartment in here. Both batteries in there with a battery switch. As I had mentioned, the bow light stores right into this spot right here. This boat is available at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. I'd love to show it to you. Thank you.